Hi, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to play the C major scale, G major scale and D major scale on the viola, including the arpeggios. Welcome to Violin with Catherine. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're a regular, welcome on back. Scales, we're going to use our nice simple M hand shape, which means we have a space or a tone between our first and second fingers. The second and third fingers are together, or a semitone, and a tone between the third and fourth fingers. We're going to start off from our open string, and it's the same pattern for all of these scales because we're starting from open strings. So from the C string, we're going open C, then first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, continuing up to first finger on the G string, then second and third finger. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So it's then the same pattern on all strings. If you want to play a G major scale, just use this nice M shape, climbing up O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Or if you want to play your D major scale, same from there, O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Of course you can use your open string instead of your fourth finger if you choose, but it's good to work on strengthening your fourth finger. For our arpeggios, we're going to have the finger pattern O to O, 3, O to O. So starting, let's do the G major, starting from open G, we're going to have O and then second finger, then open D, and then third finger. So you can do a tunnel if you like, which means you're going to leave your second finger on your G string when you play your open D string, and then the third finger will be next to the second finger on the D string to complete the top of the scale, and then come back down the same way. So lift the 3, play the open D, then your second finger is already in place. 3, open D, second finger, open G. Of course, this is the same pattern on all of the strings. So C major, O to O, 3, O to O, or D major. Thanks for joining me here today. If you did find this video tutorial helpful, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Also hit the like button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see in other videos, and I'll see you next time.